Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, my name is Jack. I am your host. Speaking English with your kids at home is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to help them learn the language naturally. You do not need to be an expert in English. You only need to use simple words and short sentences in daily life. Start from the morning. When your child wakes up, say simple sentences like, "Good morning," "Brush your teeth," and "Wash your face." Use English during daily routines. While giving breakfast, say, "Eat your food," "Drink milk," or "Sit properly." These small sentences help children connect words with actions. Do not make it feel like a classroom. Make it fun and natural. While playing, use English words for toys, colors, and actions. Say, "Throw the ball," "Bring the car," or "This is a red toy." Children learn faster when they hear words again and again in real situations. Ask simple questions in English. For example, "What is this?" "Where is your book?" or "Do you want water?" Even if your child answers in your native language, you continue speaking in English. Slowly, they will start replying in English too. Reading storybooks is another great method. Read short English stories to your child every day. Point at pictures and say the names in English. This improves vocabulary and listening skills. You can also watch English cartoons together. After watching, ask your child simple questions like, "Who is this?" or "What is he doing?" This makes learning interesting and interactive. Do not correct your child too much. If they make mistakes, gently repeat the correct sentence instead of scolding. Confidence is more important than perfection at this stage. Set a small rule at home. For example, speak English for 30 minutes every day. This regular practice builds a strong habit. Remember, children learn by listening and copying. When they hear you speaking English daily, they will naturally try to speak like you. Your effort at home can make a big difference in your child's English learning journey.